Hello there and welcome to the channel again. And I thank you so much for checking this channel out. This is Motions Biz, where I talk about Navy Federal a lot, especially the pledge loans, but I also talk about personal credit, business credit, and based on my own personal journey. Now, today we are over 3,000 subscribers, and I really want to thank you for that. Okay, thank you very much. And I cannot thank you enough for growing this channel and for really growing that number up there. That means you really come back to check what videos are here, what information you can get. And today, as you know, I always try to research even cards, credit cards with maybe Federal or other cards. And today, I will share with you some updates and just an updated information about the X1 credit card. I know that a lot of you has the card and some of you are still waiting, but it is the X1 card. They pride themselves of having the stainless steel card and with higher limits. So what's so cool about the X1 credit card is that, not only that they give very high limits, there is no credit check, and if you have a job and you have consistent or money coming into your bank, they will actually check your banking activity and they check and underwrite you based on your bank activity. And how they do that is they would hook up to your bank account and determine how much credit they will give you. Okay? And a lot of folks actually visited the channel since I started and was asking for invitation codes. Okay, so with the X1 card, once you get approved, they actually give you a code that you can share to 3 individuals, and 2 of those codes I was able to share here on the channel. So I will give you an update on what is going on with the X1 card today, and I will also include little known features and under the terms of agreement that you need to be aware of, so you will know what is really going on with the X1 card, because they do have some attractive features as well. The no credit check, I mean, that's a big one because it just opens up the opportunity for a lot more people. So I got approved for the X1 credit card sometime in November, I think, and it was for $29,000. There is one very common complaint, however, for the X1 credit card holders, and that is X1 is not reporting to the credit bureaus yet. Now, in my case, I was approved in November, and there is still nothing that is showing on my credit report as far as my account with the X1 card. So let me know in the comment below if you did experience your credit line or your account reported by X1 card already to the credit bureaus. We would love to know about that. But as for me, even today, I just checked mine today, there is still no X1 account being reported. And what prompted me to do this video and share this video is that because a week ago, I actually received an email from a customer service representative from X1 card actually asking me why I was not using the card, because I think it's been 2 months already that I haven't been really doing any activity on the credit card. Yeah, I really did not need a lot of things, so I wasn't spending a lot. And it was a very nice email. They were just trying to find out why I wasn't using the card very much, and if there's anything I wanted or any feature that I liked that would want to see for me to actually use it a lot more often, which was interesting. And just yesterday, I received an email again, but this time it was an update to the card holder agreement. And I am sure that a lot of you may have received it, but I just wanted to share that in this video so a lot of you who don't like reading your emails would get that information of what is going on with the X1 credit card agreement, terms of agreement, and an updated information regarding that, because they said they have a change in their business practices. And you know me, I like to read the fine lines and the fine print. So that's what One thing that I read in the terms of agreement was that it was just, I think, very interesting that they would not let you use it for business purposes. It's basically personal. But it says that you can purchase like lottery tickets with it. You can purchase casino chips and gaming funds, whatever. So I just thought that was interesting. So for a lot of our little gamblers out there, our professional poker players or whatever, so it seems like you can use your X1 card for that. Now, I think the most significant change in the terms of agreement is about the authorized users, because now they're saying that you and the authorized user are considered a single account. So you are responsible for every charge that your authorized user is has actually incurred, and that they also want to make sure that before you add an authorized user, you ask for their permission, because you and them, okay, whoever you authorize to use your card will also have an access to all your account information and activity on that X1 card. So just so you are aware of that, that is one of the changes. And now my exciting update about the X1 card, especially for those who are still waiting on your invite codes. Now, X1 card has started rolling out invitations, okay? More invitations are rolling out. And what happened was, with the approved credit card holders, the X1 card holders, we actually received information that they are giving us 3 codes to share. I mean, 1 code, but we can share it to at least 3 individuals. So a lot of you who are X1, who are holders of the X1 card, did you receive this email? And if you did, were you able to share the codes that they allowed you to have to share to others? Now I have one more code left to share. I have given the other 2 already, to family members. But anyway, at the end of this video, I will place some codes or letters, and let me know if you saw that code, and write it in the comment section below. And whoever writes that code in the comment section below, everybody who did that, I will just raffle out those names of the people who did that, and I will announce it in the community section tomorrow, who's the winner of that code, okay? So again, watch out for the letters and numbers that will flash on the screen, and write it in the comment section below, okay? And I will do a raffle tonight or tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon, I will announce the winner of that, okay? So have a wonderful day, and watch out for that code.